Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is updated and Bluetooth is on. This prevents compatibility hiccups. Once ready, open Settings, tap Accessibility, then Hearing Devices to start. You place your hearing aids into pairing mode right now, follow the maker's short press or long press method, hold them near the iPhone. While the device searches, keep the aids within a few inches. If a prompt appears, tap to connect. This initiates the iPhone's hearing aid mode handshake, so audio routing works properly. Once the aids are listed, you tap the name to pair and enable features. This is where you choose the active mode. Make sure Live Listen is enabled if you want the iPhone mic to stream sound. It helps in noisy places. Then, go into audio routing and adjust left/right balance so speech is clearer. Small changes matter. Finally, assign a control to the accessibility shortcut for quick switching. These settings let you tailor how and when the hearing aid mode engages. To finish, you verify the setup. Play music or make a test call and confirm sound flows to the hearing aids. Once done, ensure programs switch correctly and the accessibility shortcut toggles modes. If audio doesn't route, reboot your iPhone and toggle Bluetooth. That often clears transient issues. Make sure hearing aid batteries or charge are sufficient. If problems persist, update the hearing aid firmware through its app or contact support. This resolves most stubborn connectivity or stability issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.